Guys, can anyone help me with my laptop, please? The keyboard is not working. The keys are not responding. So, can anyone help? Let me fast forward this little bit. Let's. Okay. And so, here we guys. Focus. See? Now respond. See? Yeah. Now. Okay.
High contrast. See more contrast in colors.
Even this not working. So I use this,
Make your computer easier to use.
that,
On-screen keyboard.
the on-screen keyboard right here. Just put the password in. Now I put my password, so okay, hit enter. So I'm stuck like this. Can anyone any suggestion for how to fix my computer and my laptop? Sorry. Now starting. Definitely this is not mine. It's being handed by my uncle. This is not my last name, but this is my middle name. That's a hint for future videos. So I'll get on. See, this is my uncle. This is my Lola. He passed away in not because coronavirus. It because of kidney failure. So okay. See, there's no tab yet. It's running slow. Any suggestion for to make it better, or just when I have the money for to repair or buy a new? Okay, descended by my uncle, so I can't replace it because he have the picture of his mother, my Lola. Okay, so that's the video guys. Any suggestion, post in the comments and subscribe for the update of my laptop. Maybe 3 months when I get the money for to repair, but my keyboard. Even my search something like Google, say I like settings as oh come up, see come up, see pressing the back key but nothing happens, so I close this, go over here and go to settings. Oh, what's this? No. Waiting. I use the easy access over here and here. Sorry for the camera quality. I use an Vivo Android, an Android phone, Vivo A20i. Use here, go down, keyboard, and use device and physical keyboard. Use on screen keyboard for sure. Here, see here. I'm there. Exit. And this is my problem here. I launch the Chrome settings and the Chrome website. It's low. See, I still loading. Not popping up there. And this is the funny part. It's here, but I can click. Oh, sorry. I can't do anything yet because there's no option for my get down. I'm supposed to see my in suggestion. Oh, here. Click in here. There I am. This is my new tab. Sorry for the video quality. Any suggestions, post in the comments for future videos. Any suggestions, go in the comments. So can I repair it or replace it? So that's all. Bye.